Okay, so first of all, when I want to point out that when I have this equation of x to the fourth minus 6x to the third plus 18x minus 1, I do notice that it crosses through the x-axis where x equals 2. So that means that one of the factors is x minus 2. So what I'm going to do with this problem is I am going to find the other two factors by division. So what I'm going to do is a little polynomial division. And I do that using this Polydoku, I call it. So I'm going to take x minus 2, and I'm just going to write x minus 2 like this. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking for the answer of x to the fourth minus 6x cubed plus 18x minus 1. And that's going to have to be my answer. So this is how I do the division. I set up a chart like this, and I know that my first, I'm just going to draw on some lines here. My first number, it has to be this x to the fourth because that's where I start. So whatever x minus 2, because I'm looking for x minus 2 times what, will give me the x to the fourth minus 6x cubed plus 18x minus 1. So whatever this times this is going to have to equal x to the fourth. So that means that this first spot is x to the third because that's the only thing that'll give me x to the fourth. Now I've covered that. But now that I know this, and this is actually going to turn out to be my answer, my division answer, everything above this line. So x to the third times negative 2 will give me negative 2x to the third, so I can fill that in. But notice how in my answer, what I need is a negative x to the third. Right now I have negative 2x to the third, so like, what would I have to add to negative 2x to the third to get negative 6x to the third? And that would be negative 4x to the third. So looking at what times what would give me negative 4x to the third, and that would just be negative 4x squared. Multiplying that out, I get 8x squared. I'm just going to switch that to a different color now, 8x squared. But I see I need 18x. Oh, I need 0x squared. So notice how I don't have an x squared term in here. So I need 0x squared, so I'm going to put in a negative 8x squared to make that 0 out. When I put that in, I notice that I need negative 8x up here. And when I multiply negative 8x times negative 2, I get positive 16x. But what I need is 18x. So I would have to add 2x to my 16x. Because when I add that together, it gives me the 18x's that I need. But to get 2x there, I'm going to have to multiply by 2. And 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And so I needed negative 1. So it looks like I have a remainder on this one of 3. So my answer then for the original division problem was x to the fourth minus 6x cubed plus 0x squared plus 18x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. The answer is, it is x to the third minus 4x squared minus 8x plus 2 with a remainder of 3. So I'd write that as 3 over x minus 2.